Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the EL-IOT-1 Wi-Fi cloud connected ambient temperature data logger. The EL-IOT-1 is a wireless cloud connected data logger featuring an internal sensor with a measurement range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Easy to understand status indicators on the front of the device, alert you to alarms, battery levels and Wi-Fi connection strength. The device is powered through the EasyLog cloud, where you configure your device and set high and low temperature alarms. Alarm options include email alerts, which can be sent to one or multiple email addresses, sounder alerts, and light flash alerts. In the box there are 4 AA batteries. These have a typical life of over 1 year. A wall bracket for easy installation. A user guide. And the EL-IOT-1. Features of this IoT logger include the 4 LED indicators along the top of the unit. The tick indicates that the device is in operation and there's no alarms or warnings. The flashing bell indicates an alarm has occurred. The battery icon indicates when the battery is low. When the Wi-Fi signal is solid, it indicates that the Wi-Fi is active, and when it is flashing, it indicates the Wi-Fi is in setup mode or it's not set up yet. Below this is the main button. This is used to control the device. A short press under 1 second mutes the alarm sounder. A long press between 1 and 8 seconds is used to reset an alarm, creates an audit event in the records, and forces data synchronization to the cloud. And a long press for over 8 seconds activates configuration mode to reconnect the logger with the app. Below is the power socket for main supply connection. The power socket is sold separately. And on the back, behind the battery compartment cover, is the battery compartment and reset button. And that's what comes in the box with the EL-IOT-1 Wi-Fi cloud-connected ambient temperature data logger. For more information on this logger, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.